Good morning, traders. It's the 12th of June 2014. I've got a new product for you. This was basically developed on behalf of a customer, and it's a rolling quarterly pivot system where you can see the quarterly pivots changing historically over time. And this is a proper quarterly pivot system where it only recalculates the pivots every quarter. So you're not getting any sort of monthly roll which skews things accordingly. So in terms of accuracy, we've checked this against an hourly based system and it's pretty much bang on. There's a bit of discrepancy on the weekly, but that's mainly due to the way that brokers maintain their time frame data compared to hourly data. You often get a discrepancy on the monthly, hourly, higher time frame, high, low and close data compared to the hourly data. Nevertheless, these levels are particularly interesting, and then you can see how tightly on this monthly chart, this is on the euro dollar, how tightly the price action adheres to these levels. And it's quite remarkable actually. If you drill down to lower time frames, you can see in the same way, get some really quite impressive level reactions. So you can see here we've got this price action just rebounding almost perfectly from that quarterly R1 level, in the same way from this quarterly S1 level down here. So it really is an interesting tool. I'm just going to turn off the auto update, and it really is quite remarkable. It's something which I hadn't really looked into greatly, and one of my customers suggested having a look at this, and there's been some research done by Forbes which talks about how important these long-term levels are, and you can just see the way that they get respected time and time again, almost to the pip. I mean, that is just sensational there. We've got that's 2 pips, or less than 5 pips away in terms of from the actual physical level. That really is quite something. Same thing down here, just seeing it all the time. Again, we've got this is a daily chart. The daily price action moved through the quarterly level by about 30 pips, which is nothing on a daily chart, and then you saw a reaction coming up, giving you 420 or so. It really is good stuff. So anyway, we're going to be releasing this pretty soon. It's currently the customer who spec'd it out is testing it on a trial basis. Once he's happy, we'll press the go button and release it to the customer base, and obviously build some website pages and all that kind of good stuff. The great news is it's not going to be expensive. It's probably going to be in line with the existing indicator range, and what we'll intend to do is to add the Alerts Pro capability on as well, so that you can get speech synthesized alerts when price action touches specific or comes within a threshold of any quarterly levels. So yeah, pretty cool. Quite pleased. It took a bit of coding to get this right. Obviously there's no support within MetaTrader for quarterly data, and so you have to manipulate that and accordingly, and we wanted to try and use hourly in the same way that all the V3 pivot systems use, because it's super accurate, but we couldn't make the system roll properly using hourly data. It just became too computationally complex, so we've used it's chart-based data, and so if you're running on a monthly, it'll generate off monthly, so on, weekly, daily, etc., etc. So yeah, pretty nifty. It's going to have all the usual controls. So you're going to have a wide variety of input parameters. So you can alter line widths, styles, alert, enabling obviously the color of the labels, and obviously the shift of the label in comparison to where they are on the chart, so you can fully control everything you want to. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching. This will be released within the next, probably within the week. So pretty interesting new product, powerful in the extreme. If anyone has questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@fxalgotrader.com. Thanks for watching.